This shit was so important to me, WCW, the future of this business. He got out of here this. Don't let nobody see him ever again. I'm here to protect him, crack cocaine and everything. To make better. I had deals. Nation of Israel. In the Nation of Israel, he was not treated so damn special. But look, this was the people that built our school, and I want you to know to make sure. Respect. Okay? This is really important in business. I'm gonna let them have their charge and tax the other cash on It was really important. Ah, shit. This is cool. Long as y'all do application of Social Security, God bless you. Card. It's really important. He said he called him murder, he beat their ass in front of the judge. I wanted to catch him playing cards to be cool. That's how we is out here. Crack cocaine, the motherfucker, saw something from really. Gave them my opportunity. This was a part of me. But who deals with me? Cause he spent me change, I'm somebody important in Google.